Hey everyone, this is Amrita. Welcome back to my channel. As a couple, we always dreamt of traveling. As a part of living our dreams, here we are in Thailand, land of smiles. Spending 10 best days of our life, we covered Bangkok, Krabi, Phi Phi and Phuket by experiencing breathtaking skywalk, feeding tiger cub, gorgeous pristine beaches, long tail boat rides, shopping in the largest markets, delicious Thai cuisine, snorkeling, relaxing Thai massages, and many more. The only way to hold this awesome time spent is just by capturing it. So we tried to record everything possible. Enjoy watching our Thailand travel series by subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. We started our journey from Bangalore and reached Bangkok around 5 am in the morning. After keeping our luggage in the lockbox, we headed towards Chatuchak Weekend Market and had a quick lunch, then started shopping. Chatuchak Weekend Market is the largest market in Thailand. You can find anything and everything here. From clothes, jewelry, bags, even plants and animals too. I don't know whether it is legal or illegal, but you can buy anything here. I'm planning to do a video about shopping because there is lot to talk about and show the things what I have purchased in Thailand. Then we reached our Airbnb called Park 24. I just hate the check-in process, but the view is awesome and the swimming pool too. We are in one of the fastest video themed elevators, which is in King Power Mahanakhon, Thailand's highest observation deck at 314 meters high. It has a 78 floor mirrored skywalk. We reached 74th floor in 50 seconds. Actually, we plan to visit this place around 4:30 or 5 in the evening so that we can see this amazing view in the daylight and in the night also. But now it's 9 p.m. Now he is going on skywalk, which is in 78th floor. Oh, he did it so easily. Now it's my turn. I was just laughing at others till I reached this point, but now I got to know. I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. After a long serious planning session, I decided to start from this point, but still bargaining with Dilip, but he's not coming. Then I found a girl who is just like me, but no, she's far better than me. We both finally made it! Check out the 360-degree view from the 78th floor. This is insane. Good morning, it's day 2. Now we are in Safari World of Bangkok. We booked the Safari World ticket including lunch and the transfer from city through a website called Klook, and even yesterday's skywalk ticket we booked through Klook. There's a guide explaining everything about the shows and the timings. They will take you to the safari in the same vehicle. This is how they feed lions and tigers. After safari, they will leave you at this point. You can explore the remaining shows in the Marine Park by yourself, and you have to get back by 5. The craziest thing I have done so far is feeding a tiger cub. I was so scared at that moment, but somehow we made it. The price for this is 700 baht during weekend. I think it's 900 during weekdays. The next thing is giraffe feeding, but it is overcrowded.
Store เดี๋ยวมาทราบประวัติเอาอะไรเนี่ยอยู่พร้อมเดี๋ยวเรามาทราบประวัติเขาเอามีปัญหาไหมเนี่ยมีปัญหาไหมหลายเอาหาไม่ครับเกี่ยวกับพิตตี้สาวสวยครับเป็นเรื่องนะครับอันนี้โอเคเราจบมวยยกแรกเลยว่ะจบคู่มันจะได้พักกันเลยเราฟังไว้โอ้ฟังเลยครับผมเลือกก่อนท้ายตลอด
Okay, come on, show dancing, music.
Now it's time to say bye and go back to Bangkok city. We came to Platinum Mall and then went to Palladium Mall, which is so close. And we are here in Neon Night Market, which is just 2 minutes walking distance from the mall. And for dinner we had pineapple fried rice and barbecue fish. Good morning, it's day 3. Now we are heading towards Sea Life Ocean World, which is in Siam Center. We came here by BTS. From the BTS station you can directly enter into the mall. You can check this Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, which is in the same building. We came so early, so let's see around and come back. Finally they have opened. Let's go and explore what's inside. This museum takes about 2 to 3 hours max to explore all the things, and you can check the feeding show timings and plan accordingly. I'll provide all the details and the links to book the tickets in the description box. If you are planning to visit, you can check that out. Now we need to check out our room and catch a flight to Krabi. So we had quick lunch here. Now it's time to say bye to Bangkok. See you all in Krabi. Hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.